Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC. Today we're just gonna go over my Scale Metal Supplies Rokalope build. This is a build that I completed for Proline by the Fire 2024. I think I did a kind of unboxing overview on the chassis rail, but I never actually got around to kind of going through the details of this build. You may have seen that I've already had some videos or running videos on this rig, but I do want to kind of go over what I did with this rig and how I built it up, and let's go ahead and start. Now my work area is a little bit of a mess right now because I got a lot of things going on, but let me try to give you a good look at this build and what I have done to it. So once again, this build is based off of the Scale Metal Supplies Rokalope full Indy chassis rails. If you'll look back in my videos, I did an unboxing on the chassis rail. I'll put a link to that in the description below. But as far as this build goes, I used an axial deadbolt body. So I used an axial deadbolt body and I painted it yellow. This is a 4-wheel steer rig, but the unique thing about this build is it's a full front and rear IFS build. So it is using IFS 2 front and IFS 2 rear from Element RC. In the front here, this is an old bumper that I've had lying around for a long time now. It is from SSD. This is a SSD front bumper. It was actually made for, let's see if I can get you a better look at it. I just don't have much room to work with here. Yeah, so here's the bumper. This is actually a bumper that was made for the SCX-10-1, I believe. And I believe I bought it from the crawl space when they were clearing out a bunch of parts, and I never found a rig to use it on until this one. And to mount it up, I actually had to create some 3D printed pieces to be able to mount this up. But as you can see, it kind of looks perfect for this build. A little limited in the space I have here to work with, so I apologize if you can't see things very clearly. I do have a light bar here, and it's got this custom grill with lights, with LED lights. Now this is a Mitric RC grill with LED strip right here. So that's really cool. Let me see if I can get you a better angle. Alright, this is probably better. Just never mind the mess in the background, but this is the Mitric RC deadbolt grill with the slot for the LED strip or wire. This is the SSD front bumper, and these are rock sliders that I actually designed on my own. I still kind of want to modify it a little bit, but I just did that just to kind of protect the deadbolt body. Alright, back on the table. So I actually designed this, or made this magnet mounted. So you can see here I made these magnet mounts for this rig. I also made these inner fenders for this rig too as well. These inner fenders will work with the Rokalope chassis rail and the axial deadbolt bodies. So you can see here it's got rock lights from Mitric RC. For the time being, I am still running a brushed setup, so it is running a Hobbywing 1080 down here, and it's running let me see here, the Stealth X transmission. So it is using the Stealth X transmission. I created this LCG battery tray right here, so it kind of like dips into the area of in back of the IFS. It keeps it nice and low. There's a number of things that I created for this rig. I also created the rear bumper here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's that rear bumper that works with the deadbolt body. I also designed that for it. So maybe I'll give you a better look at it later. But as you can see, I'm using my Trick RC HB2 light controller. But yeah, a lot of things that I created or designed for this rig. The battery tray right here, the receiver electronics tray right here, the magnet mount system right here, the inner fenders, the rear bumper, and there's a little extenders for this SSD front bumper. But it's really cool rig because it's dual IFS. I have a lot of fun driving this rig just because it's, I mean, four-wheel steer is fun, but to have it also be IFS front and rear, that's just, it just makes it even more fun. So here's the rear bumper again, and then the little insert on the deadbolt body, put the Scale Metal Supplies logo with Rokalope on there. So that's, oh, and the LED light buckets or LED lenses too. So I printed these in transparent red, and we do have my Trick RC LEDs lighting that up as well. Anyway, that was a short overview on the details of my Scale Metal Supplies Rokalope build. I do plan to run it tomorrow, so I'll finally get some running video. I've been kind of sick and busy, so I haven't really gone out in over a month, and I haven't been building as well either. But it would be nice to get this out on the trails around here. I have a good idea of where I want to take it. It's going to be perfect for this rig. It's going to look really fun to see that front and rear IFS suspension just cycle through on those rocks there. So really excited to get this out, and really excited to just go out since I haven't been out in a while. But anyway, that's about it. Finally showed you guys what is entailed in my Scale Metal Supplies Rokalope build. I will put a link to everything I've used for this build in the description below. I don't know if I'll make the 3D printed files available because realistically, I don't know how many people are going to be running this setup that I'm running right here. This is kind of just uniquely built for my rig. Now, if anyone's interested, let me know, and I'll consider making these files available for this Rokalope chassis to the axial deadbolt body. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the running video that I'll have probably the following week on the Scale Metal Supplies Rokalope build. So thanks for watching.